In a cozy village, nestled amidst fields of golden wheat, lived a tiny mouse named Milo. Don't let his size fool you, for Milo had the biggest heart of all. He always thought of others and dreamt of grand adventures. Milo lived with his family in a warm burrow beneath the floorboards of a big red barn. The barn was always bustling with activity. It was home to many other mice families, all living together happily. Life in the barn was usually peaceful, filled with the pitter-patter of tiny feet and the gentle rustling of hay. However, a big problem loomed over the little mice, Shadow, the farm cat. Shadow was a cunning cat with sleek black fur and eyes that seemed to pierce the darkness. He loved nothing more than to chase the mice, his loud meows striking fear into their hearts. One evening, the mice gathered for a meeting. They huddled together, their whiskers twitching with worry. "We can't live in fear any longer," squeaked an old mouse, his voice trembling. Milo listened intently, his mind racing. Suddenly, his eyes lit up. "I have an idea," he announced, his voice small but determined. "We can put a bell on Shadow's collar. That way we'll always hear him coming." The other mice were amazed by Milo's bravery. "But who will bell the cat?" they asked, their voices hushed. Milo puffed out his chest. "I will." That night, as Shadow slept soundly, Milo crept towards him, his heart pounding. With a quick movement, he fastened the bell onto Shadow's collar. The tinkling sound woke Shadow with a start, but it was too late. From that day on, the mice were safe. The sound of the bell became a signal for them to scurry to safety. Milo, the tiny mouse with the big heart, became their hero, proving that bravery is not about size but the willingness to face one's fears.